My baby loves yogurt and berries. So I've combined both of them for this delicious snack. It's called a berry bark. So into a bowl, I've got a combination of berries. They have to be fresh berries for this. I have a combination of raspberries. Look how fat and plump they are. I just love them. They're so sweet too. And blackberries. Now, blackberries have a lovely tang to them, and I love how it stains the yogurt and forms this purple kind of delicious snack. So in they go. You could also use blueberries or strawberries for this recipe. To this, I'll add some vanilla, just a tiny bit, along with just a small amount of maple syrup, but it's up to you. If you want to, you can leave this out. Now, you could use a fork to crush this, or I'm just going to speed the whole thing up by using a stick blender. So I'm just going to pulse this a few times. All right, look at that. That's a bowl of goodness right there. So let's make it even tastier by adding some yogurt. Please use an unsweetened yogurt because the berries are sweet enough, and we've also added a hint of maple syrup. And now give that a really good mix, combine it all together and watch this transform essentially a flavoured yogurt. Now I'm going to place this onto a tray that's been lined with some cling film. So pour that over and just with the back of the spoon, spread it so it's quite even and all the way to the sides. We want to form one big frozen sheet of berry yogurt. So just carefully and slowly spread that out so it's even. Done. Into the freezer until it's completely firm. All right, it takes no time at all to firm up like this, and you can see where it gets its name, berry bark, because as you take it off the cling film and snap it, it looks like bark. Now, of course, this is going to defrost fast. The whole idea is just for a little snack for the kiddies. My little boy loves this, particularly when he's teething, because it's nice and cool. So just break it off and then dig in straight away. And of course, it's berries. So they're going to make a mess, but that's okay. It's worth it because that is super tasty. Whether you're a baby or a big baby, absolutely delicious.